Hey, welcome back to part 2 of this unboxing review taste test. As I was saying, Nisots, there are milligrams for nicotine, be all wet sauce and weird. And I hate companies when they don't tell you on the package, on the label, on the box, on the bottle, how much PGVG is, that you have to go onto the freaking website to find out how much PGVG is. That is just bad marketing right there. As a vapor, we want to know how much PG-VG ratio we have when we buy your e-liquid e-juice product to be vapid on. We want to know exactly how much nicotine is in our nit salts. If it's 50, let us know it's 50. If it's 30, let us know 30. None of this 0.3, 0.5. We can't tell you how much PG-VG is on the box. You have to go to the website. F that BS, Which, I mean, they have plenty of room on the box to tell you how much PG-VG is on there. They tell you how much liquid's in the bottle. They tell you the strength of the nicotine that's in the stuff, but not the PG-VG ratio. No. And the size of the bottle and the nicotine is in woo itty bitty. You gotta get out like your 4,000 times magnifying glass to see it. Put it on the box. So they definitely have lots of room on the box to put the PG-VG anywhere on the box. And as I was saying, the two unholy, the forbidden vape flavors, as we all know, ice be menthol to the vaping community. Tobacco. Tobacco feels like ice and tobacco, which is menthol, which is ice in vaping terms, and tobacco. It's tobacco. I mean, there's nothing else that's code for tobacco and vaping. Tobacco flavors be tobacco flavors. Like I said, there's code that ice flavor is the code word for menthol in the vaping community, which I don't know why, but it is. But like I said, the two flavors that vapors try to stay away from is ice, aka menthol, and tobacco flavor. Now this one is claimed to be a tobacco flavor. So, I'm going to break one of the forbidden commandments, one of the unholy forbidden rules, and I'm going to be vaping some tobacco flavored e-liquid juice. So anyway, just want to tell you a little something down here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Alright, now that that's done, let's get back to the review. I'm back here. Of course, I'm going to put the websites on there and stuff, the information, so you can read it for yourself. I know you can't really read it that good on camera. Let's see if this thing will focus. Come on, focus, baby. Okay, I guess that's as good as it's going to focus here. So, anyway, it says, toasty and tobacco light. Shadow cut is earthy with a subtle taste. Okay, whatever. It's nutty nonsense.